how to grow followers on Facebook page. In this particular video I will explain how I gained 289 followers on Facebook page. So guys, so before going to the video, so the organic reach on the Facebook page is very less. So guys, I have used these particular methods so to grow these followers. So first of all, I invited my friends to like the page. So I have some friend list on the my profile. Just I invited those candidates so we have interest to my stuff, digital marketing stuff. So some persons are followed my page. So next I spend some bucks on Facebook ads. So you can run ads so on the Facebook to get the followers. So next I shared this particular page with the relevant Facebook groups. I joined the relevant Facebook groups and I constantly share to those groups, and I got the some likes. And also if you observe my page, you will find the visual content. I am posting the images and the videos on my page. So this will helping me to so boost some engagement. So next I am just repurposing my YouTube content. So already I am producing the video content on YouTube, just taking some clips and posting those things on my Facebook page. This will helping me to boost the engagement. The next I am just repurposing my blog content. So just I am taking the some sentences from the blog post and I am creating some images using the Canva tool, and again I am uploading to the Facebook page. So this will also helping to create the consistent content for the Facebook page. The next thing is that I am just posting regularly. So I am just scheduling the post. So I am using the Creator Studio, which is provided by Facebook. So that tool is free, so you can use that tool for free to schedule the post for both Instagram and Facebook page. So I am using this particular tool to schedule the post for Instagram and the Facebook. So in this way, so I am producing the content for these profiles constantly. The next I am using the relevant hashtags. So hashtags are very important. So when you people search on Facebooks, so your post will be found with hashtags. Okay. Next is the I am frequently sharing so my Facebook page to the two profile and the group. I have also group. I'm maintaining the one group for the digital marketing buddies. So I'm sharing my page to those group and the profile. So in this way, so I gained this particular followers on Facebook page. Here you have to keep in mind that the organic reach on the Facebook page is nowadays very less. So but somewhat will help. Okay, somewhat it will help to so reach some level. Okay, so I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.